You can do. Have you seen these before?
Yeah,
Yeah. Where did you see them?
I've seen them at a store before.
Oh, you never used it in school? No. So what do you notice about these?
They all have white ones and red,
White and red beads.
and they all have five.
There's 5 reds and 5 whites. And how much does that make altogether?
10,
That makes 10 altogether. How many fingers do you have on your hand?
5,
5, and
5.
so it's kind of like your hands, isn't it? So we're going to use these to kind of help us do what we do with our fingers also, right? Some more stuff in our brains. So if there's 5 and 5, can I see you? Oh, and then the rule that my teacher gave me was that this is the counting end. So if there's nothing touching, it's 0. That has to touch there to be 1, okay? So this is the dugout, the holding area, okay? So we're always gonna start with them on this side, and then when we ask questions, we'll, oh, I didn't mean to do that, okay? So could you show me, can you, sure, that's what I did this morning. Can you slide 3 red ones in one sweep?
One.
Do it in one sweep. There you go. That's 3. Okay.
Yeah,
So that's 3 red beads. How many white beads are left over here?
5,
And how many red ones?
2,
You know what 5 and 2 is?
7.
Oh, yeah, you're good at that. All right. Can you slide 5 red ones in one sweep? Yeah. So how many white ones are left here?
5,
And and again, what's 5 and 5?
10.
Let's see, can you slide 5 red ones and 2 white ones? Good. So how many are over here now? How many red ones?
7,
7. So you count those ones. So if there's 7 here, how many are left over here?
3,
Right, because 7 and 3 makes how many?
10.
10, right? Because we knew there were 10 beads. Okay. How about slide 5 red ones again? Now, can you slide 3 white ones, but do it in one sweep? There you go. So how many left are over here?
2,
Right? And how many are here? There's how many reds?
11,
Yeah. So how many reds?
5,
And how many whites?
3,
And how many is that? 5 and 3?
11.
11. How did you get 11?
I count these.
You counted them? Which ones did you count?
I count these this way and this one. So
Uh-huh.
so if we add 3, it makes 11.
Makes 11. If we add 3 to those,
Is it 8?
it is 8. Yep. 5 and
3.
3. How did you get 8 the second time? When you checked it.
I checked it because I was like, oh, it's not 11. I was like, oh, wait, I see now. And then I was like, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so then you counted all of them. How many total are on here to begin with?
5,
I mean, red and whites together.
5 and 5.
Yeah, you said so. That's how many?
And
10. So let me ask you, is it possible? There's 10 here, and I slid some of them over here, that there would be 11 here. Is that reasonable? Why not? Why couldn't that work?
because you need more to make 11.
Yeah, and how many do we have?
5 and 5.
10, right? So it's not even possible for it to be 11, right?
Uh-huh.
It always has to be less than 10, ones I slide, because I'll have some here and some here, but they always have to be 10. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this one is a lot like it. It has two sets, that we can go even higher, right? So how many reds do you see?
6.
Yeah? How many reds are there?
6.
Count them again.
4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. It looks like 6. So how many reds do you think are here?
5.
Yep. How many whites are here?
5.
Mm-hmm. And how many whites here?
5.
There's no trick. It's exactly like this one. It just has 2 rows. Right? I'll never try to trick you. It's always 5 and 5. So for how many are on the top row total? How many total beads are here? It's 5 and 5.
10.
10. And how many are on the bottom?
Mm.
It's 5 and 5.
10.
10, right? So there's 10 on top.
And 10 on top.
There's 10 on the top
Mm.
and 10 on the bottom, right? How much is that all together? It's 10 and 9.
20.
Yeah. You know a lot of your doubles, huh? Okay. How many beads is that?
3.
Mm-hmm. And put another 3.
6.
And that's 3 and 3 is 6, right? This. How many beads is that?
5.
Did I have any red ones left? Nope, so I moved them all. And that.
6.
How many is, I heard you whispering. What were you counting that time?
Like 5, and then I was like, oh, I know what comes after 5, 6.
Oh, good. Good. All right. All right. This time you slide it. Can you slide 4 red ones on the top?
This one?
Can you do it in one sweep? Do 4. Good. And on the bottom, 4. 4 reds. Good. What's 4 and 4?
8.
Uh-huh. Can you slide another one from the red one? Good. So now you had 4 and 4 was 4 and 4 was how many?
8.
You added one more. So now it's how many? Now how many beads are there on this side?
8.
You said this was 8, right? So if you slide this one, now how many are there?
9.
9, right? Because this was how many?
8. 6.
That's 8. You're right. That's 8. So how many is that?
9.
Yeah, right? Because how many did we add?
1 more.
Okay. How about slide 3 on the top again? And 3 on the bottom. Good. How much is 3 and 3?
8. 6.
6. Now, that's 6. If we do that, how many are there next?
9.
9? You said that was how many?
8. 6.
6. So how many is that?
8.
6, 8?
7.
6, 7, right? So how many are on top?
4.
And how many are on bottom?
3.
Right? I think 7. Good job. How about slide 2 on the top? And 2 on the bottom. How much is that?
4.
Yeah. Now slide another one on the top. Now how many beads are there?
5.
Doesn't look like you counted that time. This was how many?
4.
So that's
5.
Yep. you go. All right. Good job. We're gonna start using this more. I'll look up all the lessons. There's a whole bunch of really fun lessons using this. I'm not that good at asking questions. I run out of questions. I feel like cutting quickly. They're fun though, huh? When you get really good, it will be like 10 and 2. You know what that is? 10 and 2.
12.
Yeah. That's it. 10 and 2. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. Trying to keep these in 10 minutes. What was that? I'm going to start using a timer so that we run through things. All right, let's talk about some of these. We got really good at this yesterday. We're going to try some other new things. I'm going to put out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 here. Okay. And 3 here. How much is that?
15.
How'd you go so fast?
I said 12, 11, 12.
Good, good. All right, so let's do 15. That's right. You got really good at this yesterday. 15 and 4 over here.
18.
8. Count it again. 15 and 4.
18.
Count it out loud.
7.
Oh, you skipped something. There's 15 here.
15. 18.
So what was that one?
15.
Oh, but there are 15. So that one has to be this first one. Mhm.
18.
So 15,
13.
16,
16. 17. 18. 19.
19. So we have to remember those are the 15. And then this one is 16. Otherwise, we're always off at one, right? We say 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, 15. See what I'm saying? Okay. So now there's 19, 21. And we're gonna put 4 over here. 21 there, 4 here.
25.
Hmm?
25.
Oh, I thought you said 55. 21 and 4 more. Yes. I was like, 55. What happened? Good for you. And you use your fingers on that one. Okay, 25. Skip the 30. You're so good at this. How about 42? And also 4 more.
$46.
You got it. All right. Let's do some of these where I'm taking them away. Okay. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. 6, 11. There's 11 here. Put some under here. And now there's 13. How many did I put under here? How'd you do that?
I guessed.
You guessed. That was a pretty good guess. Let's say there's 15 here. And there's 18 altogether. How many did I get under there?
5.
How'd you get 5?
I guessed.
You guessed. Can you think of another way of getting the answer? Besides guessing, there's 15 here. And there's 18 altogether. There's 15 under here. There's 18 altogether. How did that help you, looking at that?
It's the 15, 17, 16, 17, 18.
So you could see the jumps, right? All right. Let's say there's 12 under here. And now there's 16 altogether. How many did I put under?
1. 1.
12, and now there's 16.
Four.
I like how you're using that. Did you know that that was a 12, or did you just
I
say that one was a 12? Okay. How about 8 under there? And now there's 12. How many did I put under?
What did he say again?
There's 8 under here, and now there's 12. So how many did I put under?
3.
I like it. What did you do this time? You went that, you went downwards. So I said, tell me what you did.
I said 8 and then I went to 12.
You went from 8 to 12. Can you say it out loud? Where's the 8 here? Where'd you put the 8?
I said 8 and then I said 8 in my mind
Mhm.
and then you said it was going to be 12. So 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't understand. What happened to the 12?
I count back 5.
From 8. All right, so why 5? I don't understand. Can you teach me? I said there's 8, and I said there's 12. So there's 8 here and there's 12 here. And you went like this. What were you doing that very first time?
12.
There's, yeah, there's 12 here. There's 8 here. Question is how many?
4.
How'd you get 4 this time? It is 4. What'd you do that time?
I guessed it.
Ah, you did. You sure? How could we figure that out without guessing?
We can say 8 and then you get 12. And you count the numbers, see if you get that number.
That's not guessing, right? So 8, what does that sound like?
So like you said 8 and then you said you count by 1 to see if it works.
Okay, so go ahead and count by 1. 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I wonder why the first time you went 8, because you said 3 and you were really close the first time. Do you remember what you did? You said 8. I was wondering what you did because you were super close. All right. I'm gonna keep myself to 10 minutes. Good job. You're thinking really hard today. Six, 10. What you choose? Do you want to play some of these games or do you want to play tic-tac-toe?
Tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, okay. You want to play? Let's see. Oh, we could play one of each. How about that? Do you want to play the before game or the after game first?
Before.
Before game? Okay. So, we say before. Are we counting up or are we counting down?
Now?
Correct. Okay, so what comes right before
17?
16?
17?
That comes right after. What comes right before? Oh, I do
15?
have to ask you. Yeah, 15. What comes right before 19?
18?
What comes right before 17?
16?
What comes right before 13?
12?
Comes right before 16.
15?
What comes right before 12?
11?
What comes right before 13?
12?
Yeah. What comes right before 14?
13?
What comes right before 11?
10?
What comes right before 15?
14?
What comes right before 17, 16? Right before 18, 17. Okay, we got them all. All right, this is the before game. Do you remember the other day when you said that number out loud, you got the before number right? I would suggest you keep saying the number. Go ahead, you go first. What's that?
15.
See? Good job. What's that?
17. 18.
Good for you. 19, 18. Ooh, what do you need to win?
15.
What do you need in order to cover the 15?
14.
This is a tricky question because we're playing the before game. So in order to
14.
in order to cover that, you have to pick a different card. 14 does come right before 15.
15.
14, 13. Ooh. Still need that card to win. Whoa. Oh, I'm through. 15, 14. What does that card have to do?
14.
What comes right before 14?
15.
Hmm?
15.
What comes right before 15?
16.
What comes right before 16?
17.
You're counting up before we're going down. In order to cover this, you need this card. What is it? It's your winning card. Hmm?
18.
Not that high.
12.
That's a 15. So if we cover, uh-huh, you win. That's a tricky question because we are playing the backwards game and you were looking at this, the before game. So you worked hard on that question. That's a hard one to answer. So that's your winning one. You got 3 in a row horizontally. All right. Let's play that. This time we'll play the after game. All right. What comes right after 16? Let's check we have.
17.
Mhm. What comes right after 15?
14.
Comes right before.
And
It's right after 15.
16.
Yeah. Have a 16. Just want to make sure I don't have any mistakes. What comes right after 11?
12.
What comes right after 14?
13.
Huh?
13.
No, that comes right before. What comes right after 14?
15.
Mhm. What comes right after 12?
11.
That comes right before.
10.
And what comes right after 12?
11.
Nope, we're gonna go up.
Wait.
What's next?
11. 10.
Going down. Go up.
10.
12. And what comes next?
13.
Yes. What comes right after 18?
19.
Mhm. Comes right after 17.
16.
Comes right
14.
before. What's after
13. 12.
17?
11.
Next number from 17.
18.
Mm-hmm. What comes right after 13?
14.
What's right after 19?
20.
Got them all. Okay. Ready? right, go for it. 19, 20, 14, 15.
12.
Ooh, what do you need to win?
16.
Ah, you do. Good one. 11. Ooh, so do I. 18, 19. Now you have 2 ways to win. You can win there.
There.
Both win there. 17, 18,
18.
14. 15, 16. Oh,
16.
what did I do? Did I make a mistake? 15, 16. Somebody made a mistake. I don't know where our mistake is. You win. What did we do? Maybe I made a mistake. Maybe I did it before. Right. Nice. 2 wins for you. I'll give you 2 tiger tickets. Yes, we'll get confused. I'm always red because that's my favorite color. All right. Here's these. Can you put these in order?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. Let's see if put those in order. Yep. Thank you. Nice. All right. Let's count them backwards.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
13 what? You said something.
11,
That's not what you said. Let's start here.
15, 14, 15.
Good job. You said 12. There was an 11 here. Good job. You fixed your mistake. So you counted it correctly. Good job. You're getting really good at that. Let's do another one. And you put, this is a different family. You put these in order. There. Can you put those in order? Wow, you worked so hard on that. Let's see.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Wow, you really showed a lot of persistence. You tried and tried and tried again, and you never gave up. You didn't get frustrated. You just go, "Nope, start again. Nope, start again. Nope, start again." Wow, I'm really impressed. That's a lot of persistence and grit. That's how we succeed in school. We're like, let me just try again. No, you need it again. Don't help me. Do it again. I tell my principal that sometimes. I'm like, don't help me. Let me just do it again. Because then I learn it. Nice job, Aubrey. Wow. Is that on our Tiger tickets? That's on our Tiger tickets. Doing the best. Safe, respectful, responsible. Oh, it's not even on here. Do your best. Keep trying.